Do you struggle with finding a healthy, quick, and easy dinner? Well, I have got all your tips for that right here on this channel. My name is Lori Farron. I'm a fitness pro and meal prep expert, and I have you covered when it comes to healthy cooking, quick and simple. So let's get going. Tonight, we're going to be making a one-pan chicken, bean, and tomato dish. Super easy, super low carb, super quick. So all you're gonna need is about a cup of cut up tomatoes. These are little cherry tomatoes. Then you're gonna need a pound of green beans, or you could just do a bowl size like this. And I went lazy because that's what I do sometimes. And I just use the green beans that come pre-done, pre-cut and washed, ready to go. So that's what I'm gonna use in this recipe tonight. I also have 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and a half a cup of chicken broth. And then tonight I'm using some chicken thighs. Now, normally I use chicken breasts because they're a lot leaner, but the recipe for this that I got from MyFitnessPal called for chicken thighs. So I really did my best to cut the fat off, to lean these out as best as I could. So we're gonna get going and start. So I have my chicken thighs cooking here, and we're gonna add in our half a cup of chicken broth. And then we're gonna add our 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar to add a little bit of flavor. There we go. And we're gonna let this simmer for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna add some salt and pepper here. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. And as you can see, I started cooking my chicken breasts for a few minutes before I started to film this. So I'm gonna cook that for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be back with the rest of the recipe. Okay, we are back. So we have let that simmer for about 10 minutes just to thicken up the balsamic and the chicken broth. And now we're gonna add our last 2 ingredients. So we have the tomatoes here, and we're just gonna add that, stir that around, and the green beans, and that is it. Like, that is seriously how simple this is. Look at all these green beans going in here, adding this nice color. You can hardly even see our chicken. But this will take about maybe 10 minutes to simmer down with these green beans, and then it'll be ready. So you really have a nice low carb meal. You can add some rice with this if you want, or you can just have it without carbs. So if you guys like this recipe and you want more, hit subscribe, and I do these every Monday night. It's my Monday night meal prep series.